Hey guys, what is going on? It's Marshawn. Gonna be recording another vlog today. Today's Friday. Today's the day of the meet. We're gonna go out and have some fun tonight. Maybe, I don't even know what we're gonna be doing, honestly. But right now, I'm just have to clean up my room. Alright guys, I just got done with the wash. I literally just sprayed it down. I am not going to be wiping it down because I don't have any rags on me or anything. So I'm gonna have a wet look when I get over there. I'm pretty sure my buddies will have a rag that I can use. They always have a rag or two on that. Well, not really a rag, more like just a microfiber cloth, if you get what I mean. So I can wipe it down properly. I'm gonna just probably like cruise really quick to get most of the water droplets off. I will show you guys everybody's car as we see it there, and then we're gonna head down to Ship Creek because apparently there's gonna be some people there. There's gonna be like some kind of pre-meet before the actual meet at 9 at Brobell. So we're just gonna go down there, Ship Creek, and back basically. Hey, I just put water on it, just to get most of it off. No. Can't see.
I can't drive his
Okay.
car.
You don't like it,
So you know, we out here. We meet. Oh fuck. I forgot my keys inside. Weird as fuck.
What's up?
What's good?
I have to say what's up on the camera now. What's up, Charles? Supreme.
What's going on, guys? Got my car back yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, this is your car. I almost forgot, actually. I was like, whoa, wait a second. Damn. Hey, I was actually gonna ask for a microfiber. Thank you.
Hey,
you,
what's up, man?
you have another one?
Hey, you trying to play ball, bro? Yeah, I have another one.
Where is it?
It's in there.
It's in here? Oh, I see it. You took my lip. Actually, it doesn't look bad on this at all. Like, I might as well just take this and not even fix it, honestly. That looks really good. Put it on later, though.
You
Dang.
need to use this, bro.
Look at Anthony. He's gonna park right next to me. Wow. Look at that. Oh, he's gonna park over there.
What's up? What's good? What's good? You guys see my dirty ass car? Hey!
Yeah.
Is that dirty? What the fuck? It's not some piece of gum.
Here. Ew, that's gross.
Mashallah.
Masharah.
You wanna hide you?
Whoa, thank you. Yes, sir. Alright, so Charles is leading right now. We're gonna go down to Ship Creek. We all just met up. Everybody else is in the back right now. You guys can see. There's Allison there. And so we're gonna just go down to Ship Creek, record some clips, I guess, of our cars and be in a Nutty New video. We're gonna just come back to Brobell. Gonna be here for the actual meet, and New is probably gonna record a lot of clips here too.
I like your ribs, sir. Clean ass, double your racks. Hey guys.
We found him. He's okay now. Pretty sure. Look at the biker gang.
Moving tender. I've been pinging for
saying that? I didn't say what's up. I didn't say what's up. I thought you hated juuling.
Don't worry about it.
Now you started. Hey, Melinda. Where's Lily? She's back there. Come on. Hi, Lily. Hi. Hi. I missed you. Hi. You're so fat. Ah. Hi. Hi. Oh, sorry. Hi. You're so fat. Sup? Dang. There's so many people here. So shaky. Yo! What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's up?
Who's good?
I didn't know you guys were all rolling together.
We're working and one's for also working. Huh.
I'm gonna wait until you're done putting it on. Wow. Show off the back.
Trying to
Oh.
put this one on. Feel me? Extra protection.
Dude, what the? Why would you do that? Oh, that's 2 hoodies. You look. That's just goofy, honestly. Nice. Alex, how look?
Good night.
We're matching again.
Oh my! I have to put on my hoodie. Oh, if I put on my hoodie, I'm matching freaking Ant. Oh, I gotta go shirtless now. That looks hella dope. What the heck is this? Dude, happy endings banner, bro. That's so sick.
Oh, look at that rims.
Dude, that's hella nice. I want to get this rolling. Yup. The Euros are in. American Euros. That's so sick. Yo, that's dope. That's nice. Look at those, bro. Oh. Another 350. Okay, wait, what?
When you paint your
in the back.
brakes gray,
In the back
so they don't look stock.
No, I don't see it.
So you get that race look.
Stupid. So stupid.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go roll out. I'm gonna go this way.
Do it.
Roll out. We're all rolling out, bro. This is sick. Buddy, right behind. Dang, look at that line though.
Type R.
Yeah.
Gucci flip flops, make a kick rock. It's a big pop. Shake the wrist watch. Gucci flip flops, funky hit your bitch in the side. It's a big watch.
All right, everybody, we made it to the meet. Hi guys.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Where you at?
I know.
I showed up as soon as everyone started leaving.
Really?
You was right. You were right in the front,
I
right?
was right in the front. I fucking
Oh.
hit that man.
Get this in the video.
Go for it. Hit the puppies out! Hi, Lily! Look at your belly!
Wait.
You're on beat.
Hi. Hi there. Hi. You're so cute.
Alright, it's starting to rain now actually, as you can see. We're all twinning. We got the Halo gang right here. Looks hella nice. We got a front lip. I need a front lip.
Don't fuck like it.
Where's my...
I don't even know. It's a tiny car. Look at this, dude. That's nice. What's up? Leo's here too! Hi, buddy!
Say hi, Fashawn.
Whoa, what the heck? he just fell over.
No.
It's automatic.
Yeah.
Whoa, I can fit my head in that. Go for it, go for it.
No.
Here, I'll do it right now.
Good shot.
I know. That thing's pretty big. Dang.
Yeah, we are.
Who's pulling up?
Marshawn, I mean, Jonathan.
I'm already here, bro. What's up, dude? How you been?
I'm pretty good, man. How you
Good. Been working.
Follow me, BIGAUZ907. That's my at everywhere.
We made it to Takotnu. We're all pulling up right now. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna set this all up. I honestly like this right here. Guys, be safe. Sorry we made you guys drive here.
No, it's all good, bro.
Yeah.
Someone got to go home.
Rip. Oh, that's so cute.
Better not be recording this. Ah, dang, don't expose us.
What are you doing? Oh my god. This is Night Ray, bro.
Night Ray, motherfucker.
Guys, look, you just noticed this actually. Whoa. Okay.
Who? You want to trade steering wheels?
Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Ready? There go. Oh shit.
Ooh, that was nice.
Ready?
Go for it, go, go, go.
You can't go that low.
These guys are goofy.
Watch how I mount this, dude. Ready? Oh shit!
My name's Anthony, and I drive this purple Subaru right here. Yeah, it's just my car, you know. That's what we do out here.
Yeah, Marshawn, you can drive all the way back to the Robel.
Shut the fuck up, Jonathan.
I just got a full thing again.
Jonathan, shut the fuck up.
All right. Hey, hey.
What?
Fuck up.
Hey, guess what I picked up?
What?
A Chevy Cruze.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
How you doing, Aaron? Oh, got that nigga. Hey, not by the car. Not by the car. World Star. World Star. I promise.